Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete friends on 8-ball pool. To delete your friends on 8-ball pool, first of all launch open the 8-ball pool game on your device, and then once you're inside this main screen, tap on the little 3 human icon at the bottom left. This will then directly take you to your friends tab. All of your friends that you've added will be listed on this page. Go ahead and scroll through your friends list and select the friend you want to remove. You will be able to see a little cross icon at the top right of each contact. Simply tap on it and then click the yes button in order to remove your friend from your friend list. And that's it. Your friend will no longer appear in your list. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.